some key things to talk about in this video today. Drop a like. Season 4, here's their trailer. We know they should be copyrighted.
Streets get red.
One, this trailer right here is just more visual than it's actually showing anything. I hate how it says features gameplay from Gen 9. They just try to do shit like this to make it seem like it's like they go so hard just with this trailer, and it's not even like it's so super hard, but it's like, look, you could tell all this is edits because we won't see this in a regular NBA replay. This is where it's shown. This is like an NBA when you go into replay mode and you do replay your play and shit. And then they just got somebody to design it and edit it up a little bit for them. These are edits going off like, and you got it crazy, bro. I wish this game would have like they're showing new moves. Ah, man. New moves they just added it and not some shit that's like, look, they keep giving the same shit. Trikes. Gorilla Sun's mascot suit, we been had this shit. Like, bro, the duck pool party thing, like, this literally has to be for kids. Like, why even promote that to grown men? And not to be like, oh, because we're grown men, you gotta be grown in her. This is like, what the fuck? It's a duck. Floaty. What's the need for that? 2K just wants to have that, ooh, little themey look. Carnival. Stupid ass shit. This right here is dumb. This is stupid, 2K. Like, yo, I'm tired of y'all doing this stupid ass shit. Skeleton bones. Banana peel, like with the split. Like, that don't even look right, low key. Still have yet to do exact two versions of exact Michael Jordan skin where it's like Michael Jordan 19 something something, Michael Jordan 19 or 2000 or something. You know what I mean? Still have yet to do something like that. It's like these trailers be so pointless. It's pointless. It's not even something that's nostalgic. Okay, yeah, yo, you remember when we was all dressed like the banana peel? People gonna put it on, duh, because it's just there. But it's not, because that's why everybody just stays meta. This shit like pushes meta, like it even pushes meta vibes. So I don't know. I don't understand the devs. They're idiotic kinda. One cat breaker. They know they had to give that shit. Listen, I promise y'all, if everybody would have liked this game, we would have not been getting cat breakers at the end of the season. I promise you. Y'all think this shit is like something like, no, they're giving us one bit by bit. Like, it wasn't, I trust me, it wasn't supposed to be like this. Because think about how OP people's players are going to be. Some people's players are already OP because they done got certain cat breakers from hitting the levels. But just now, the season now, come on. No balance. Game has zero balance now. And I say that because when you really play, or when you really play to try to get some, or go against comp or people on win streaks, they're playing the meta. And when you play the meta, if you're not going against the meta versus meta, 9 times out of 10, you're going to lose unless you have elite IRL players. Who can carry the game 9 times out of 10? That's not even a thing on 2K. Most people are playing the meta builds, double lock lineup. So creating a game with goofy cosmetics just pushes for that, you know? Ah, man. You push a skin that looks like the My Player, then people actually start trying to play like the My Player. A Jordan skin, AI, they don't get it though. They don't get it. So when you make, people have always been trying to do face scans of NBA players. So imagine if they don't get it though. They don't get it. They don't get it unless, look at this shit, bro. Shea in that little court right there. Shea don't even do shit like that. They are just ridiculous, bro. Watching this shit is boring. Mocap suit is not bad, but it's like we could have been had that in other 2Ks, so it is bad. Automatic purple, it is bad, and maybe it was another 2Ks. It's not something nothing. Like, bro, look how they got a robot in the background while we hooping. They can't say that's for the kids, bro. Kids don't give a fuck about that shit. It's not a nostalgic area. Kids will remember Sunset more than they will remember this shit. And there was people that was kids that remember Sunset. Like, they're gonna remember that more than this shit. This is not something people can cling to and have nostalgia on. Wonder if they do it certain time periods. I don't know. Sometimes the devs be tricky with me. Kevin Durant All-Star jersey, Galaxy Beat. Sometimes it seems like, yo, 2K be dropping shit for like super NBA nuts, like NBA fanatics. Cause I don't care about nothing here but this cat breaker, and then I still don't even be caring about the cat breaker. Shit's trash. No new SGA SIGs. No new pro play SGA. We added it mid game. A few moves we seen SGA do in the season. Dumb. If it's a NBA, drop this. Oh man. This shit. Oh man, bro. Like, why? It's so weird. What they don't want you to be. They don't want your player to look exactly like the mob player. I don't get it. It's like they don't even have Kyrie's jersey when you go into the Mavs store. You would have to use the customized personal jersey. So it's like, are they trying to make us pay for more so we could customize it personally and make ourselves look like this person? Bro, it's just so much twists and turns with them of wondering why. So we see, and we come over to here, and here's the big latest news, man. Season 4's new update. It's not it. And we have the patch 4 season notes here. Nothing. The only thing that I've seen people talking about was like, where is it at? Yeah. Fix, hangs, revolve. Like, look at this. New playbook, stupid ass bugs. Like, read these bugs. When I read some of these bugs, I'm like, some of this shit people probably didn't even know wasn't working, or sometimes it was probably like some, y'all are goofy. And then there's other bugs that still is happening. It's like, bro, y'all making the same game, really. Y'all ain't making nothing that's too different. You're making the same game. I don't get it. So 2K quit with this being fair BS. All the comp is in Rise. All the grinders are in Rise. Stop trying to be the good guy and give us rep boost for the 3rd time. So Rise always wins this event because everybody just went to Rise. One, Rise looks the best. It's like the best looking park. Both of them are ugly. But Elite just looks like shit. It's too cartoonish kitty. I don't get when they're going to get it. If they had 2 basketball looking courts, it would be like a toss up. People would just be choosing. They don't understand it's like that though. They don't understand the aesthetic parts about certain things. A lot of people are saying, look, even as an Elite member, I agree. I don't even play anymore, but it's definitely rigged. If the idea was to make it an even game, don't put the large of a boost in it. No need to rig it because you realize you made a mistake. So now they're saying that they're rigging it just because most people went to Rise. They could make this type of boost and they can do something like this, but they have to go back to their damn roots. There was times in 17 where some of the other parks won. I remember Rivet won at one point in time. I believe Fires came close or won. Like, I'm telling you, it was times like that. Now, later on in the future, when they try and do this now, people will stack to 1 because it's really, Rise looks better than Elite. Loading up in it, everything just feels better when you're moving around in it. Rise, Elite is ugly. But 2K, they made a mistake. Like, damn, we have no control over the people. Just one side keeps winning rep boosts. So now people are complaining about how unfair it is. Now they gotta rig it. Just like in the real world, how we hear about stuff being rigged. Like, holy shit, bro, nothing can stay fair. See why everything is like, gotta enjoy stuff in your real life more, because you get to stuff like this, man, everything just starts becoming fake, rigged, tweaked, touched, just so you're not getting the real full effect. It's like, come on, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section. NBA 2K25's patch 4. Nothing good. Them not talking about speed of the game, the dribbling, nothing, shooting, nothing, nada. Not even talking about future works that they can do to change certain things. Everything jumps up in a toss-up. And they come out randomly with patches here and there on things some people didn't even know was working with the game. And I've heard now that they added actually 30 seconds to the key in 1v1 court. So that was another thing in the patch. Unbalanced. Super unbalanced game. Hit the like